Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper boat and a paper aeroplane. You can either use white paper or you can use construction paper or even a newspaper. Basically any paper. Are you excited for today's video? I'm more excited than you. Let's get started. Now I will be using white paper. First, let's make a paper aeroplane, okay? Follow along with me. Now, this doesn't need to be jointed. Now flip the paper. It's ready! It's ready now! Isn't it simple and cool? Let me show you how it works. Ready, set, go! Show you how to make a paper boat. For this, we need a scissors and a paper. Alright, let's get started.